Let's make some freaking money. Yeah. Come on. Get in, lads. Wow. Happy Thursday, y'all. Good to see you. Beautiful Thursday. We got the Red Solo Cup going on right now. It says we're offline. Just checking my streams here. Oh no, that's not good. Come on. Get us live on YouTube. Let's see if we are live. My internet's not doing great. Don't know if y'all are with me just yet. Yeah, I can't boot up anything. This is ridiculous. Gemini, it's just YouTube? Oh, CoLateral booted up. $43 subs, let's go. You're certainly not online right now. Oh, we are live. What's going on, y'all? Good to see you here, baby. Just my OBS is saying that we're not on, as you can see here. That's a problem. See how slow my internet has been? What's going on, y'all? Good to see you. There we are. One viewer, and that is me. Well, sorry for the technical difficulties, y'all. Good to see you here on a happy Thursday night. Thank you so much for joining us here. We are on a mission in building CoLateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace of the future, y'all. Big things coming right here. We're seriously going to build this. Ooh, no transition. Okay, well, we got some work to do, guys. We are pushing this as quick as we possibly can. I want to show you something. Our hero responded to us. This ain't no Dan Martell. This ain't no whoever you want. This is Kostava on structural engineering topics. Everything he is, man. He is my guy. He got me through school with some design examples from a few years ago. He responded to our comment. I'm trying to load up YouTube here, but just my internet's just killing me. This could be another disaster stream in the making, but hey, let's just have fun at least while we're playing here. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Like, I got this YouTube studio. Sure, just go to my channel. I don't care. This is ridiculous. Can't procrastinate. Take a peep, y'all. Kostava. Our guy. 46,000 subscribers. Me being one of them. I left a little comment. He said, hey, great stream, by the way. I'm currently building CoLateral, which is an all-in-one engineering workspace. I'd love to show it to you, my man. He said, love it. Can I try it out on a live stream by chance? Would be awesome to see. Do you see all the exclamation marks we got, guys? Come on. Again, I used to watch this guy's videos all the time when I was in school, and yeah. So that's a big inspiration. So we got to ship CoLateral. We actually have to get her going. So yeah, Bean Buddy's still fricked up, and this doesn't animate right off the bat. So we are gonna start with our first prompt of the day. Send it to Opus Slopus. This main introduction hero page. First of all, we need to like bring back the nice little animation that showed up. It's missing some of the like background card things that used to pop up here that we once had when this was just a Vercel HTML. I think we need to bring that back. You need to essentially like restore what this introduction hero page was not too long ago. Bean Buddy is also not accurate. So we got to bring him back, get rid of the pluses, and like the text box is supposed to be on him. Get in! There we go. Send that to our boys over at CoLateral. Okay. So, I got a lot of stuff that just like mini fixes here and there. I think what we do is I seriously want it such that like our schedules, like doing this model truly works. This draw feature. Yeah, I hate this top bar. So we're gonna fix that up. This top bar, when we're on Sheets and Schematic Frame Designer, is not very well organized. It just seems like a bunch of buttons all over the place. This needs to be more organized very similarly to Revit. So I need you to study what the top bar of Revit looks like and organize the buttons here respective to that. Don't remove any buttons. Don't add anything. Just organize it much better. The draw options, like that's better to show up when we like toggle draw, then this pops up. Also in draw, I think it would be beneficial if like as we like clicked the one button, like click the one point to draw the first point of the line, like it showed the dimensions with like as we were dragging it, and then once we let go, the dimensions go away. Again, like study Revit and make it such that we're doing what Revit shows us. So guys, we got some usage reset happen to us. Pretty awesome. I think I'm just still gonna Opus. Oh frick, I gotta run to the washroom real quick, guys. I'll keep you quickly organized. Stumbling on my words. Keep you entertained with some YouTube for the time being. I'll show you another one of my videos. I'll have this all set. 43 subscribers, guys. I will do the push-ups very shortly. Just be patient. I've never been more excited about what's going on with this business more in my life. We just came off of a really good live stream, and I'm very excited to share with you what we're going to be doing moving forward. Today, this is just simply going to be a thinking out loud video. I just want to talk to you guys about what this channel is going to be doing moving forward. So the last video, you know, I talked a bit about CoLateral and what is this business that, what is the business that we're doing moving forward with CoLateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace. I'm super proud of what we're able to accomplish here. Effectively, engineers can work inside of a workspace instead of having everything all in different tabs. Simply have your calendar, your to-do lists, all your structural engineering tools, your PDFs, your spreadsheets, everything all in one environment. Contract administration, business administration. The list is endless. The possibilities are to the moon. I currently use it, honestly, on my own as just like a little navigation of what my life is doing moving forward. I'm going to be using it as a world for YouTube. I'm going to be using it for potentially my actual real work. And yeah, guys, I am just so pumped to launch this thing. Now, mind you, there's still a lot of bug fixes. There's still a lot of user interface things that I'd like to clean up. But I know that we will get somewhere with this eventually. Now, I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about my last video, how I said, truly with AI, the way it's pushing, the way it's accelerating, what Fable 5 is able to do for us, the engineering office and the current way that the industry is working
so back
is going to be a thing of the past. And we are moving towards a world in which individuals, not in just engineering, but overall in the consulting.
All right. That's not a great video, but we got some better ones coming up, guys. We're focusing. See how slow my computer is? Give me a break.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, something about Google Chrome, eh? All right, taking a seat for a little bit here. Been standing. Okay. Yeah, my Google Chrome is just friggin' fried. Holy versus Pride.
Yeah, this is enough is enough. I gotta pull up the stream. Holy versus Pride. Okay. All right. So it looks like yesterday's stream didn't get through. That's a shame. I think it's because I closed my computer, but good news is we always got the link. And guys, we've been killing it in terms of the views on these live streams. Thank you so much. 56 on yesterday's. That's insane. The algorithm's pushing us some way, guys. I'm loving it. The videos, we got 2 videos doing pretty well, 75 and 62. Again, another stream there. Yeah, I was proud of this video. I'm really disappointed we are only getting 4 views. YouTube is so different than what it was 10 years ago. Even, well, 15 years ago. Like, I felt like getting like 300 views on a video wasn't too hard. Maybe I'm just remembering that wrong. But now it's just like, it's such a saturated area. Although there's more people watching, there's just more interest to be had. Okay, so guys, we are grinding the crap out of this. We're making sure our schedules are up to date. Ooh, this is way too zoomed in. This is not good. I need you to revise the extents of the schematic frame designer windows when we're in Sheets view. As you see, like the actual canvas needs to be like what's front and center, or like the Sheets view, for example. That needs to be much bigger. And so you need to make, like, I need you to sort of like reframe the left, right, and top bars. So like they're much like smaller, they're more like compact. Maybe we could allow the user to be able to drag the extents of it in order to change the size, but in general we just need to make it smaller by default. How does this work? Nice. So you can draw. Let's see our... See how this is compact, but everything else is massive? That's a problem. Oh, we got hidden line good. Demolition. Demolition is just another hidden line. Okay, we'll do like, I think next to line style, we should have a button that's like edit line styles. And then it shows like a drop down menu or just like a window pops up. It's very similar to Revit, where it shows the names of the line styles and like what they look like. And then the user can like choose to add or remove more. And then like they can choose to like modify some and then like change the name of it, give it customability. The ability to customize. Very similar to Revit. What's a spline? Ooh, that's fun. And then you never know. Okay, yeah, enter does that. Good. I don't see like thin or thick lines. I don't like how we have a line style that's HSS when it's obviously the same. What's concrete? Ooh, yeah, and then it's like the extents of these lines are way too big. So guys, I'm going to try on this stream to just very much focus on one thing at a time. As you could tell from my previous streams, I end up trying to take on 3 different things at once. CoLateral, our clipping agent, the YouTube chat, and fixing like something elsewhere. It's too much going on at once. I think we just need to lock in on making CoLateral the best possible product out there. We simply need to get this ready, I think, to launch. Then I'll learn how to launch. Simple as that. That's something I could do off stream, is learn how to like actually get the website up and going, and then put a paywall behind CoLateral as an application, and then boom, we get her going. Dude, ever since Kostava said, oh, I'd love to see it on stream, ever since he wanted to stream and like hype up CoLateral, oh my word. I'm in love with that. And then another big example of, he would never do it, but what's his name? Grady from, it's just like an engineering YouTube channel. Practical engineering. He would never do something like that, but I don't know. I'd love to share it with him. Like, he's got a civil background. There you go. Kostava shows up. He's only 700. He's got 750,000 subscribers or views on that video. That's amazing. That's insane. Good on him. He is the man. Sorry, I gotta pull up the stream just in case, like, chat, because my chat's not showing up. I forgot to, there we go, okay. Alright, let's focus. Let's lock the frick in. ODS. Okay. Perfect. Okay. I need you to see, like, when we draw a line, it shows the extent of, like, the selectability of this line as this rectangle as shown in the screenshot. We need it such that I'm only able to select the line when I actually click on the physical line. So the selectability of the line is limited to the line. This is in the schematic frame designer when we're drawing on sheets. Okay, a region. There also needs to be, oh, that's something I should have put. Window layout. Top bar organization. Is this where I chirp it? Yeah. I think furthermore, we should have like a little icon logo or something next to each of these buttons to like represent what they are. So make sure we implement this too in our design overhaul of it. Now I see this is pretty much a Fable prompt, but whatever. Oh, you can see there. Okay. Foundation walls, call, footing, conch slab. Okay, this is where we got that. There needs to be more. I think there needs to be more ability to customize the schedules. Like currently they kind of show up as like light offset blue headers, but like I think we need to allow the user, like there should be like a schedule settings, and then that allows the user to like basically change the overall like kind of theme of like what the schedules look like. And then like somewhere in settings too, I think we should change where you can change the font of everything that's going on in Schematic Frame Designer. The ability to customize the schedules should like be like kind of overall layout they could choose from, and then the colors of like the headers, etc. All right. Yeah, we're locked in, guys. Okay. Text. I don't want it to be clicky. So when we drop in a text box under like annotate, oh frick, because I clicked exit. Yeah. So when we drop in like annotate text on Schematic Frame Designer, I want it to work very similarly to Revit, where first, like if I were to like drag, I can like drag the extents of the text box area. So like I could drag, like for example, if I were to drag like half the page, then that text box area is half the page essentially. And then also like when we have like this text box selected, there should be options for different like leader lines, to be able to like change how the leader arrows look on it. And then also there should be some options for how we justify the text, like left, middle, right. We should be able to change, like very similar to Revit, the font, the style, the text box, etc. So allow for all these options as well. Okay. Other than that, I just don't know how you do like a leader. And that's like a huge part of making these drawings. So I see that there's manage revisions buttons on the left and right sidebar. Let's just keep it to the right sidebar, so get rid of the revisions on the left sidebar. This is in Schematic Frame Designer. This is a lock-in stream, guys. Might be a bit boring for people who have no clue what's going on here, but I promise you this is going to be amazing. And look who decided to show up. Mr. DRQ Superior. Dr. Q. How are you, my man? Good to see you back on the stream here. We are locking in right now for some reason. My ADHD is just not like going crazy on me right now, so we are just going to get cooking on some of the boring things, man. I want to show you Dr. Q actually. We are making progress in the world. So in the structural engineering world, There's this guy. His name's Costava Engineering. 46,000 subscribers. Pretty big for structural engineering. It's quite niche. People are not on YouTube on it yet, but this guy is. You feel me? He's got some videos that like have some 1.5 milli, right? Like he's for real, right? And so he had a live stream where he's just testing out different softwares. Oh, that's my own stream. But anyways, he suggested that we can showcase our CoLateral on his live stream one day. Try it out in a live session by chance would be awesome. Oh, he answered back. No, he didn't. I thought it said one reply, but that was obviously just me. So I said, hey man, I'm building CoLateral, 50 plus concrete, steel, wood, masonry design tools, all connected through shared analysis, drafting, and working 3D model. Promo videos coming soon. Share my progress building on my channel. Thought it'd be something of interest to a fellow structural engineer. Thanks. That's awesome, man. I'd love, like, so we're going to try to get him to play around with our puppy. How's the app going? Dude, I'm really happy. It is actually like a desktop application. It works very, very smooth. Next.js, man, that's the way we got to do it. So yeah, we're trying to get this to launching like as quick as possible. I got to get some promo videos going for it. Oh man, it's just like YouTube is so much work trying to like run this application, actually get content out. I am going to stay consistent in doing like 3 shorts a day. Long form, I'm going to try to do like 1 long form video a week, and then obviously stream every single session that I'm sitting down here. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, no, he's a big deal. So sorry, I'm just adjusting something. Yeah, no, he would be huge in terms of because all of his subscribers are structural engineers, which is literally our target audience. So that is a big deal. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah, so we're just doing some really boring things, just making sure like this functions the way we want it to. Might be a lame stream, but hey, that's part of what vibe coding is, right? You can get 90% of the work done, which is super fun, but then the 10% takes 90% of the time. We also, let's see, got some yesterday's stream right here, day 18. We got some clips. Let's see how these turned out, eh? I think this is always my favorite part of the stream. Is just like, let's review yesterday's stream and just see how the clips turned out. So obviously the titles, they always suck. Like, look at this. And this actually didn't. Yeah, this is always frustrating because this is supposed to generate a title in white text, but it never does. So we're going to Fable prompt that and be like, hey, give us a frickin' title. And also fix these titles. They're awful. They're like halfway through a sentence. Capital command. Okay, I had it before as a prompt. You need to have it where we have a title, like above the video center plus blur, like just above where the video is centered. We have the title of the video in white text above there. That needs to apply to every single clip by default. And then also, you can see that the titles that are generated on this are awful. They're like halfway through sentences. I think instead of you trying to just like grab a part of the transcript and make it the title, like you could like take a look at the transcript and then like just give a title that would be more like viral grabbing using keywords like AI, vibe coding, ChatGPT, Claude, business, etc. The ones that we have right now are awful, so I need you to fix this. Your system prompt, you got to give it some title examples so you know your style. So you need to recognize these keywords, and you need to implement this and remember this for whenever we're doing like descriptions for videos, tags, etc. Yeah, you're right. We do need to... we're going to Fable High that, YOLO. Yeah, you're right. My system prompt currently is just like a crappy export of like essentially my system prompt from ChatGPT. Because I was one of those fellers like, oh, I lived and died by chat. But then when we got serious about all this, I just recognized like, oh, Claude's in the lead. But now who frickin' knows, man? Like whoever's the best AI, like that changes every frickin' day. Oh yeah, by the way, Dr. Q, we got a lot of changes to make with all of these because we gained quite a few subscribers on YouTube today, few on Instagram, and actually we went down on X, which is hilarious. So before we review these, let's take a look at all of our social medias. I'm going to stand up because push-ups are coming our way, man. Push-ups are coming. Push-ups are coming. I'm telling you, we are going up in the world. We went from 38 YouTube followers to 43. So that is a +5. Not bad, not bad. +5 is like well over 10% growth in one day. I'm happy with that. What's next? Tickety tockety. Uh-oh. We're up to 12, so that's a +1. Oh, we're running out of these bullcrap clips here. Scheduled clips. Scheduled clips is a huge thing I'm going to have to do, but that's going to be really boring on stream. So 239, 300. Yeah, like TikTok's weird. Some of them get like literally 5 views on this one. And I would have thought that TikTok would have been like the most view heavy, but no, like these videos that like we're getting over 1,500 views on YouTube and Instagram, 100 views on TikTok. I mean, like, I think it's just because people don't watch crap like this on TikTok. It's not brain rot enough. Yeah, man, you got to add the tags to your live so YouTube puts you where you should be. Yeah, huge thing I notice about my channel. If I go to like any of my analytics on videos, it'll show like people come from weird, like bonkers videos that have nothing to do with what we're accomplishing. Those people click on the video, they watch it for 2 seconds, they leave. And that like ruins like the algorithm works against us because it shows people are not willing to stay and watch the video because simply it's just not giving it to our audience. So you're right about the tags. I will say, like, I don't believe hashtags get you farther in life. But you're 100% right about, like, you got to make the algorithm adjust for you. So, yeah, we will be doing that. Instagram, I swear I thought we went down or something. Nothing new there. 37, so +2, that's great. One's my sister, so it doesn't count. Facebook, I might delete Facebook as, like, one of the things that we have to do push-ups for because, like, I don't even take a look at Facebook. It is simply just like, this is just like the sloppy seconds that are uploaded from Instagram. We get like 1 like and then we get like 6 guys from India following us. So like, do I care? Tags 100% count on YouTube. Yeah, it's weird on Instagram. I think definitely not. TikTok probably not the same, but yeah, there's a reason why YouTube separates your title from your description. And they used to literally have just tags that you'd have to plug in before. Yeah, it's the tags all like right now you're not in the correct category, any category at all. Yeah, we're starting early, so we got to adjust our algorithm. And then X. I think we popped off on X. I like schedule posted a bunch of crap, and then I just like spammed yapping to people saying funny things. See, I got all these likes but no follows. They don't know our journey. See, 35. I dropped 2. Boo. Well, I won't punish anyone for -2x followers, but we have a total of +5 +1 +2 is +8. 8 times 5 is 40 push-ups due. So, you know what? Do I hammer them all right now or just do 20 and 20? Let's do 20 and 20. I came back from the gym today, so don't want to go too hard. So there's that. Let's update our values. We are so happy. Where's the music? I realized. Sorry, I turned that off because we were about to view clips. Okay. Very happy. Thank you to everyone following us here. It means the world to me. Thank you for following on TikTok. Thanks for following on Instagram, even if you're my sister. And screw you for unfollowing me on X. Thank you very much, guys. You mean the world to me. All right, I'm going to hammer down 20 push-ups. 20 push-ups now, and then we'll do 20 push-ups later. All right, here we go. Drop it, give me 20. Drop it, give me 20. Get them dogs going. Get them dogs going. Ow! Felt good, baby. Look at my hair. It's all frizzy. Frizzy. Nice try. Our pinned video on X, 81 follows. Pretty sick. Everything else, we just don't have a big enough audience, so that's why we get 2 views. Gosh, I gotta pee again. Okay, I'll be back. Don't miss me too much. In the meantime, you can tell me if this is a good clip that it's generated. All right, W's or L's in the chat for that clip. I realize the music might be a bit loud. It's probably all right. Let's see it. Oh, there was no... That's funny. Okay, we had no audio. Here we go.
So
WRL.
I don't know if I actually have like the latest local CoLateral. So how would I pull that or like get that in from, say, the GitHub repository?
That's an L clip. That is awful. That is supposed to be our #1 most engaging clip right there. Was a very boring prompt in Claude. It takes us back here. Quite annoying. Oh, you know what? I probably didn't merge these to main, so all our branched crap. Yeah, fudge nuts. Okay, whatever. That's why, because the title was purple. You realize the title popped up but it was purple and it was awful inside your local. This one's got to be good. We got the glasses on. We're yelling. Go follow. You know how many videos I'm uploading though? Just me saying, go fuck and subscribe. Like, we have no content yet. That's the problem. It's just because vibe coding a structural engineering app is so boring.
We work harder than anyone else out there, baby. Only here on this channel, baby. If you like what you see, you gotta subscribe. You gotta follow for more, because we're just getting started. We're just getting started, baby. Oh, yeah.
I think it's so good.
We make some big moves, baby. We're making some big moves, baby.
You notice the gibberish and the, like, and that's a frequent one, so hopefully a Fable medium can get me a fix there. Hey, you keep generating this gibberish on whenever you try to, like, transcribe our clips here. Yeah, that's not acceptable. You need to fix this gibberish finding guy here.
Making some big moves, baby.
Okay, I want to make this a 10
We work harder than anyone else out there, baby.
Is this... So I basically say the same thing twice.
We're just getting started, baby. Oh, yeah. We moving. We making some big moves, baby. We're making some big moves, baby.
There we go. 10-second clip. There we go. Something like that. Okay. I think that's good. Go to follow for more to subscribe. Let's just do this. +1 follower equals +5 push-ups. Let's frickin' go. They don't recognize that as a swear word. Okay. Send that off. Okay. That was a fun one. Let's see about this one here. 6 followers times 5 the day. No. So, okay, this was like
In the day.
the push-ups.
6 followers times 5 push-ups per follower equals 30 push-ups.
Okay, that's
6
cute.
followers.
My goal, Dr. Q, is like we're currently in like fucking hell right now trying to get like followers. I want to look back at this with hopefully thousands, like in a year from now or whatever, and see like, oh, that's so cute. We got 6 followers. We kept track of that and we did push-ups for it. I think there's something to be said about that. So we'll enjoy this time while we're in it. So
Times 5 push-ups per follower equals 30 push-ups, y'all. You put me to work, baby. Ow. Okay. You want to see it? Boom, boom.
the foot thing I think is ridiculous, but I love it.
Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Get down.
No, I made a change where it's like we could actually like trim this, and because I do the boom boom for too long. It's a short, you're literally like advertising against brain dead people.
Down, Nick. Let's do it.
Maybe
30 push-ups, y'all. You put me to work, baby. Ow. Okay.
I think that ow sucks. That's cringy.
You want to see it? Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Whatever.
Boom, boom.
Let's
Boom,
just send
boom.
this.
Get down, Nick. Let's do it.
I think it's so ridiculous. Maybe let's just freaking keep it. I don't care.
6 followers times 5 push-ups per follower.
Yeah, whatever. Let it be. So I'm just scheduling these. It says to the 29th, which is like 2 weeks away. We just have so much garbage in front of us. I might actually have to review them. Like, review the clips that we have there. And see if we're okay with sending those out. But, all right, more clips. Let's see. It's fun reviewing because it's like, this is yesterday's stream. 37. Oh, this is me changing. Work done, eh? So, big things coming here, guys. As per The recommendation from our boy, Mr. Dr. Q.
Yes!
We are changing CoLateral into a Next.js desktop application.
Dr. Q's getting his own YouTube short.
We are changing CoLateral into a Next.js desktop application.
It's not the most entertaining.
Right? Big things coming here, guys.
Big Things
As
Coming is a good hook.
The recommendation from our boy, Mr. Dr. Q.
And I wish it would like trim those dead spots. Okay, well maybe, whatever. Maybe I could save that. Oh no, I'd have to re-upload this frickin' thing when gosh darn it. Merge pull requests to main. I don't care. Just merge them from today and yesterday, resolving conflicts along the way.
We are changing CoLateral into a Next.js desktop application.
How about we get some work done,
Simple
eh?
enough.
Look at that. Yep. Send that puppy off. How's this one? Sorry for the how are we, my friend.
Avik! Maladi!
Oh, this is, yeah, that random Indian guy joined our stream.
1, 2, 7. How are we?
We're calling everyone out on these streams, eh?
My friend. So sorry for the delay there. I was on a long call.
I was.
We are building, my friend. Let me show you what we are building here.
Show it,
I'd
show
love to
it, show
introduce
it,
to you-
show it. Oh, what a waste of a clip. I can't use that.
Now I want to show you the tickety-tockety we left off at 10 tickety-tockety subscribers. Now we are up to 11. Thank you for following me on the tickety-tockety. Now we got to move to the Instagram. I don't have it up yet. Instagram.
No, so we don't show Instagram. Yeah, my GitHub repos are private.
Tickety-tockety subscribers. Now we are up to 11.
There we go. We'll cut it mid-yell.
Now I want to show you the ticket. Now I want to show you the tickety-tockety we left off at 10 tickety-tockety subscribers. Now we are up to 11.
Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, that should be a trim. Probably. Ooh, in Capital Command Center, it should be, like there should be like some presets where I'm able to just like center the title right off the bat. Like I think it should like snap on. Oh, there we go. Because that was my backup. That's hilarious. Okay, you're right. I should make it private. That's hilarious. Making the backup was. I swear, I thought I clicked that as a private repo when I made it, because I didn't prompt to make it. Like I actually physically made it. Well, thanks for. Oh, I just saw who are the contributors to it, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's 4 people on it already. No, it's me, Codex, Claude, and GitHub Actions. Okay, I thought this was private, and it is public. That's awful. Thank you for looking into that. Where? Oh, I've never done this. Do I go to repositories? Bunch of crap there. See, yeah, I usually private every single one of them. That one has nothing on it. That, like, I could delete those ones, but I'm just silly, so I don't. Swift app. What? I gotta go deep into settings. GitHub's always such a pain in the butt. Like it was so hard to like learn it, and I still have no clue what I'm doing. Oh, actually, I want to read these. Allow merge commits. Oh, squash merging. Yeah, why wouldn't you? I would suggest updating pull request branches. I wonder. Auto merge, eh? Once all required reviews and status. You know what? Holy smokes. Because I don't even look at them half the time. Thank you, sir. You need to make this GitHub repository private. Switch it from public to private. Bottom of general. I was just asking Claude, go find it. Delete this repository. Well, now I know the regular one works, like, to be honest. Oh, change visibility. There it is. Yeah. All right. Oh. Don't transfer it. Fuck off. Fucking Claude. Now I get it. Change repository visibility. There we go. Oh, I gotta sign in. All right, 1 second. Oh, I don't even have my phone on me. Give me a dart. Where the frick is it? Let's freaking go. We live in the moment. My phone was just in my room. There we go. All right. It's a private repo. Thank you for spotting that. Yeah. We just got 2 silly ones. 2020. What? You like our this map actually? Well, it doesn't look as cool because you could see on the weekends we frickin' grind. And then the weekdays like 22 contributions. Wow, that's not bad for like day after work sort of thing. We grind, baby. And it shows consistency, although we didn't do that day. That's sad. So yeah, not bad for getting started in May. Hey? Okay, anyways, back to work. And when I mean work, I mean like getting the popcorn out and watching these. And then like show where those trims were done so then we can edit it after. Okay, let's edit this. Ladies and gentlemen. That should be a trim. Gentlemen and gentlemen. Me watching a clip in a clip it's hilarious. Gentlemen and gentlemen. That was a fun clip. That should be a trim. We gotta be. Is this what like these streams are eventually gonna be, Dr. Q? Where it's like me watching a clip, and then like
this is me watching that clip. And then the next one, tomorrow's stream, I'm going to be watching this clip of that clip. And it's just going to be clipception. I think that would be hilarious. Clip that, clip that, clip that. Be fast pace. We live in a weird world where attention is everything. That's ridiculous. Split and it just gives me one video. I shouldn't complain about my thing to my world where attention is everything. That should be the clip. There you go. 10-second clips is everything, G. Okay, this isn't even uploading because it's just showing two. Pick a slot, why don't you? You'll land in the uploading center when it's ready. Well, how about you take me there, bud? Frickin' right. So I don't even know if these videos got Hawk to it in there. Go follow for more to subscribe. I forgot to change the title there. Yeah, this needs to get fixed up pretty bad. These failed ones, like, get the frick out of here. Wherever we have failed clips, like, the next time I view this, like, they shouldn't even be here anymore. They should be gone, and the space should be open to be able to actually, like, submit a clip into that spot. This is ridiculous. Now we gotta do it, though. And it says, like, oh, your trim will be rendered. I hope so. We didn't even get that far, did we? Oh, it's this one. Ladies and gentlemen, trimming our shorts with AI. Like, that should be the title. Say AI. Give us one buzzword, you know? So if I throw this into here. Come on, you mother trucker. Oh, I realize the music might be loud. No, it's fine. Holy smokes, boys. Like, look at that. There's only 2 spots. Like, fill that spot, please. Okay, okay, so it says it does it. Did I... Yeah. Left off at 10 tickety subscribers. Did we upload that? No. That didn't even get thrown up. That's ridiculous. So it's still it's probably because I made the fixes and then whatever. I'm just gonna throw them in and then I'll deal with it on the thing later. Welcome back, Dr. Q. I'm just realizing there's a lot of problems still with all of this. So what if I just clicked auto assign? YOLO. Frick it. Just upload the clips. I don't even care. I'm pretty sure you can still, like, well, it'll be scheduled and then you can, like, still edit it in YouTube Studio. I'm just very curious to see what happens when we click this. All right. Oh, 20 push-ups left to do. I will get this automated eventually. It's just not a priority right now. 20 more. Not yet, though. Not yet. Welcome back, Dr. Q, baby. Oh, what? Oh. So, I have shortcuts. Oh. I learned something new. I could switch between these with my keyboard shortcuts. So S for socials, W for webcam, A for Acer, M Toshiba. That is hilarious. Push-up cam is P. Huh. That's amazing. I never knew that was a thing. Well, now we can be quicker, but I have to have like OBC selected there. Or OBS. Huh. That's amazing. 7 uploads projected today over the limit. I don't care. Wait, don't upload them today. Okay, so it filled them in on those slots. Cool. Let's view it on YouTube. Oh, rats. Yeah, I shouldn't have uploaded. Whatever, I'll fix them later on my own. I don't care. All right, they're up. So the goal is to eventually have it where we have titles that work with like buzzwords that we like. We can eventually trust these clips and then just get them going. Get them up there. Okay, in the meantime, we got do some boring work here. Oh, wow, we've been streaming for an hour already. Okay. So obviously, I fixed these up. These are just way too big. Like all the bars here. Oh. So there needs to be more snappability when it comes to like when we're trying to like align text, very similar to Revit functionality. There should be the ability where text can kind of like snap to like align and justify with other text boxes. Same thing with schedules. It should be like so it can align with them. My latest short cuts off mid. Probably. That sucks. Let's see. What is ChatGPT good for with 13 views? Let's pull that up, Jamie. Holy crap. We got so many scheduled that like it takes me 2 to rip through.
Now there's a lot of talk about do they own the best model with GPT 5.6.
This
right
is our
now,
latest.
and that's up for debate. I would use ChatGPT if you want to use a lot of usage with a very good general purpose model. But now there's so many other
Oh, I say mod.
that they are not necessarily the greatest.
Ah,
Now,
whatever.
there's a lot of talk about do they own the
I'm not
best
gonna
model
lose
with
my mind over that. It is low quality, but hey, whatever. We're just getting some crap out there. We're getting content out there. It's gonna suck. We're gonna improve it as we go on. And yeah. Life's gonna be so sick when we have shorts that we actually like, that are actually good quality. So that's good. Those change.
And now it's just like, man, you gotta have that time where you just like disconnect from.
Let's improve the text in the titles here for the default title block here that we have. It needs to look more like a professional one. So make like where like all the titles like sheet title drawn by, sheet number, all that a bit bigger because it appears awfully small here. And it needs to be pure white. It can't be like an offset white. Okay, dimensions. Let's see if this works. That's amazing. It snaps. That's just like Revit. Holy smokes. Tag. There shouldn't be... Oh man, I got sniffles. When we have tag selected, it has this weird like crosshair here. We can't have that. So have no crosshairs to like just have tag working without this hovering around. Goodness, I'm tired again, but we gotta grind, guys. Like, fudge nuts. You know what? Just changing some settings. Yeah, I gotta work on. I'm gonna write that down, Dr. Q. Master prompt or system. Yeah. I'm gonna just get everything fixed up for that. Oh, also sheet properties. That's we should have it so like sheet properties only shows up like on the right sidebar when we're clicking on the title block, for example. Else, like if we're clicking on a schedule, only schedule settings for the right sidebar should show up. So therefore, like when something else is selected other than the title block, the sheet settings and inputs can all change. I love this. So new 3D. Okay, there's some. Oh, that's not a good. Hey, instead of this being our like pop-up, like, are you sure you want to delete? It needs to be like a pop-up window with iOS like animations and transitions in the middle of the screen that grays out everything else. That doesn't say Tari localhost. It needs to like just have the text with the two options and match the theme of CoLateral. Dr. Q, we've come a long way, as in like we've changed the theme to light and blue instead of AI purple. There's a bit of redundancy here. We shouldn't have it where you have to click new 3D and then place. Rather, it's just like when you click new 3D, it simply places it right there on the model, and then like there's only the X option to like remove it from the model. But then also like I could click the view and then click delete, and then it says, are you sure you want to delete? That should also be an option that you can give the user. Yeah, realizing that like this is a structural engineering like workspace, like it has to look like a Microsoft Word, essentially. Like this can't be like some cool dark mode purple theme like that. Like this isn't for stoners. This is for working professionals. I don't know what I was thinking at first. The dark theme. Sure, give it as an option, but by default, this is what it needs to be. You need to ensure like the default, like when we import in like a new schedule, the notes, like the box needs to fit in all of these notes. Currently, it shows that they don't fit properly. So by default, everything needs to be fitting. You need to review all the schedules to ensure this is the case. How are we doing usage-wise? 20%.
and resets in 2 hours and a bit. And I won't be on stream, by the way. Well, I'll be on stream tomorrow morning because I'm off work. Going out to my trailer in the afternoon, but then I'll be off Saturday, Sunday. I still might be working. I just might be on my laptop, but my laptop is booty cheeks, so I won't be able to stream. But that's okay. So this is where I need to think, because I don't want this to be like in... Oh, that's cool. Wait, that's not good. Also, yeah, I'm not a fan of this music. Here we go. We're just doing royalty-free bangers. So we don't get copyright strikes every time. Okay. Tilt. Oh, that's cool. Jeff. Reset orientation, nice. Love that. Ooh. Hey, this detail number, like, we still have this problem where there's a cross out. I asked you before, like, to have it so it's not crossed out. And also, like, there's a problem in which, like, if you get rid of the detail number, it still has 1 as, like, the default. I got rid of this, so therefore, like, it should be empty in there. But that's not the case here, so you need to fix this. Also, I think actually in this spot, it should be like the detail number on top of like the top half of the semicircle, and then the bottom half indicates like which drawing that it's on. Hopefully you got that. We need to allow for extruding. We need to allow for the user, if they want to, if they import a 3D view onto Sheets, we can give them like a couple different options, very similar to CAD and Revit, like different extrusion features. So like how it's going to look, you need to review Revit and see like the different extrusion and view types for like 3D models that they offer and implement this into CoLateral. Let's fable that one, YOLO. YOLO. And then there's a big... You need to allow it such that when I double click on a 3D view, then it like, very similar to Revit functionality, how like now I'm editing in that view, and then if I like double click out, then I'm back onto the sheet view. Yeah, baby. Hey, Dr. Q, I got a question for you. How did you get like 1,200 subscribers? Have you been on YouTube a little bit? I think I looked at your channel a little like yesterday. And I see you got like a few videos. But did you like delete a bunch of videos? What the frick is that? This pin feature needs to look more like a pin, and then also PN is the shortcut that you should allow for users to be able to like pin it in place. Look at how it looks in Revit, and let's make it more like that. I should get
ChatGPT cooking on some of these too. Those are some ripping like infinite usage right now. Now that Claude that reset the usage, oh yeah. What's shortcuts? Oh, that's cool. I probably did had like 300 views, but I got Fortnite mod thing, lol. And it's somewhat popular. Nice. That's how you do it, baby. That is how you do it. Oh, I got really tired all of a sudden. It's only 10 o'clock. Come on. You gotta keep cooking. Okay. So a huge thing in CoLateral, if we want this to be a revolutionary product, is that the tools need to connect. Ooh, actually, it goes 100% against Fortnite terms of service, but I made it like 6 years ago and people still use it. Dang. Fortnite mods is bonkers, dude. I didn't even know there were mods to that game. Fortnite Battle Pass. That's awesome. You're famous, Dr. Q. Ooh, let's do this. When we click like the ability to connect or link to another card, when I have this clicked, then there should be like an arrow that comes out of this card. Like before I even click on a card, the arrow should be pointed and like following my cursor. And then when I click on a card for it to be like connected to, or just hover over it, we need it such that it like highlights on this card. And so there needs to be nice iOS like animations and transitions. And then like if I were to move a card in space that has a connection, there needs to be like transitions in that, because it kind of looks like the arrow is just like jumping around, but it needs to have like smooth iOS like transitions and animations. Got 6K members on a Discord, and we have been through like 5 servers with 5 to 20K people. Holy smokes. That's why it's against terms of service, but mine gives all skins. Oh shoot, all the skins, eh? I used to just rip like the banana peel. Frick yeah. Why doesn't this have a canvas? Oh no. This bent plate curb support designer, there's no cross section available here, so I don't know it's missing something. And also like the left sidebar is way too long. You need to get rid of code basis at the bottom because that's irrelevant. That's already all in settings. Yeah, like I shouldn't have to scroll so much on this tool, so I need to resolve this. 13 at the time. Yeah, you're 18, I think today. Well, this, like, that's what you said last stream, eh? Young buck. Holy smokes. We shouldn't allow for the schematic frame designer to link to other cards. It should be that essentially tool cards connect to the schematic frame designer. Like everything runs through the schematic frame designer, and not the other way around. So I need you to disable this so that there's no confusion that way. Holy smokes, I gotta pee again. This is rough. Oh, also. Oh, that's a problem. It gets rid of all our markups. Let's get chat cooking here. In CoLateral, the sheets, they don't seem to save. Like when I go away from that, and then I were like to go to like levels, for example, and I were to like do a lot of progress in sheets, and then go back to the thing. There's obviously a significant problem in which the sheets are not saving, but yet like this is like very important drafting work. We need to have it such that like this saves like no matter what. So ensure that like this is saved, it saves as the user goes. And then like the user can choose to like have specific saves. So like if they want to go back in progress, then they can do that. Like kind of like open file sort of thing. Yeah. We'll leave it at that. Ooh, there's a problem. In CoLateral, it seems a bit difficult. Like specifically, for example, the schematic frame designer, the bottom right corner, it's hard to like grab that to be able to drag to change the extents. I need you to make like the region to be able to grab this corner a bit bigger and easier to grab it. That was me after a Gatorade, LOL. Yeah, so this isn't a good size when this is only one square. I think by default, schematic frame designer should be 4 minimum. I think by default, the schematic frame designer, because it just fits better with like the sidebars and all, if it is a 4 grid square tool, I need you to review all the tools and assess whether like they are appropriate as just like a 1 square or a whatever size is required in order to fit everything appropriately, whatever the intended size is for these tools. Implement that here, and obviously like have it where it's like when it imports, the default size is like the minimum size that is appropriate for the tool. Yeah, the arrows will fix that up a bit. Those are tidy. Oh, that didn't do much. Oh, I gotta grab water. Okay, quick water and pee break again. We are so back. Oh my word. Okay, I'm getting tired, so I still got 20 push-ups to give out, don't I? Yeah. Okay. Guess I gotta do them. That'll get me drinking more water too. All right, off we go to the push-ups. Oh, it feels so good. So freaking good. Oh, yeah. Gonna be ripped by the time the app is out. Frickin' rights, man. People will be intimidated. They won't buy because the friggin' founder is ripped. Oh, I'm such a loser. I keep sitting down, but it's just comfy. It's just comfy. Oh, boy. Okay. So, the only thing is like the analysis model and the sheets. They need to be connected. Huh. I'm just gonna have to yap. It's a fable. Okay, in CoLateral Schematic Frame Designer, we need it such that we can offer the ability of the user to, in their schematic frame designer, separate the like model worlds that they're ripping in from the sheets view, because sometimes it might be nice where the user wants to like work in the model and then the sheets are separate, but it's still like connected. It's still the same sheets based on the model. So we need to allow the user to detach. And so now it makes me question, should we even be having... The user shouldn't be able to drop in a bunch of different frame designer tool cards in the same project. Or, you know what? We will allow them. We can allow the user to have multiple schematic frame designers on canvas, but then like we can have a feature that allows it such that like we can like they all connect together at the end, so that like we could have it where they all come as one schematic frame designer if we chose to like give the user the ability to merge them. I don't know. I'm so freaking tired. I don't know what I'm trying to think about right here. It just seems like, okay, if you're working on one project, like you should only have one 3D model. But do I want to limit them to just one model? Oh, another big thing too. I wanted it such that you can get your now that I have the Tori app, I call it Tari. I want it such that like you could bring in your terminal so that you could literally have Claude rip in your desktop application. And like, could it actually like play around with your cards? Is a great question. Or am I out to lunch? Who knows? Who knows? So, here, we'll just ask. We'll ask Opus. Hey, so now I have a Tari app, and I'm running CoLateral on a desktop application. And so, I was always curious if we could actually get, like, a Claude Code, like, desktop terminal card in CoLateral. And I'm pretty sure this is all, like, set up ready for this, as you can see from the screenshot. But now it's a matter of, like, can we actually get this to show up in our world? So can you, like, review to see if, like, this is prepared to happen? And then if that's the case, like, what are the next steps that I need to follow to actually get this to happen? Or can you just do this? This is something huge. This is something I have no clue what's going to go on. So we're going to see if... Because it's just gibberish. I already prompted it to, like, try to provide something for us. However, if we can actually get it so that, like, a Claude Code terminal could cook in here... that'd be sick. gonna be ripped. Oh, for some reason, GitHub plugin. Huh. For some reason, my GitHub disconnected from chat. It says you're connected. Why don't you just give it a shot, bud? Let's get rid of profile now. It says it's redundant. And then also when we're in like account and settings, there should be iOS like transitions when we like go back and forth between like windows in and out of stuff. Frick, I'm so tired. Oh, we did our push-up. I gotta update that. Oh, man. Should I just get a good night's sleep and we'll stream tomorrow in the morning, I wonder. I'm just so out of it. Claude desktop terminal. Let's see. Okay. Investigate. There's a substantial amount here. Let me read the actual implementation. So we're trying to get some agent functionality in here. We might be able to get this. Missing pieces operational, not code. I learn something new every frickin' day. A DAEMON, a daemon that binds to must run on the same physical machine as your desktop app. I'm running a remote cloud container, different machine from your laptop, so I literally cannot start a loop. Yeah. Installed and logged in. Okay. It's a pairing token. I might do this off stream. And you know what? This might be the end of the stream. Because I'm so tired. And, yeah, I'm going to rip this off stream. So I'm not being too entertaining right now. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be freaking blitzed. So we're gonna save some juice for then. Yeah, decent stream. We did some good boring work. I actually found it was like fun boring work for me. Probably just like miserable for you guys, but thanks for hanging in there. Guys, if you like the stream, you know what to do. Get me doing push-ups. Oh yeah, you can see how tired I am in my eyes. Yeah, that's alright. Well, yeah, it'll be fun. During the day, I'm going to stream, so I'm going to see what that's like. Yeah, going to cook. It's going to be awesome. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Q. Once again, MVP of the stream. We're coming a long way. We're growing. Except on X, we're actually regressing there. Lost 2 followers, but whatever. Who cares? It's going to be a good one. Happy to be at 43 subs. Road to 50 coming very, very soon. I'm hoping we can get it before Monday. That'd be sick. Yeah, more content coming. Some long form videos. I'm gonna edit one tomorrow and get that uploaded. So that's on the to-do list. We're gonna get agents cooking. We're gonna update my system prompt. That was a good recommendation, Dr. Q. So I'm just gonna have to like sit down like I'm talking to a therapist and tell Claude exactly how I want it. So anyways, thank you so much for helping me out in the stream again. It means the world. We'll see you in the next one, man. Yeah, big things happening. We'll keep in touch. All right.